gx is given this function. We want to find hx is equal to gx plus g1 by 2 minus x. When x lies in this interval, then after multiplying by minus 1 is a negative number, therefore inequality will reverse. Adding 1 by 2, adding a number to each term does not have any effect on the inequality. Greater than equal to will remain greater than equal to. This implies 1 by 2 greater than equal to 1 by 2 minus x greater than equal to, these two will become 0, and this result can be written like this. When x is otherwise means x does not lie in this interval. Either x is less than 0 or x is greater than 1 by 2. When x is less than 0, then after multiplying by minus 1, this inequality will reverse. After adding 1 by 2, we get this result. 1 by 2 minus x greater than 1 by 2. Greater than 1 by 2, that means does not lie in this interval. That means in otherwise interval. When x is greater than 1 by 2, after multiplying by minus 1, we get this. After adding 1 by 2, we get this result. Less than 0, also not in this interval, that means in otherwise interval. That means when x does not lie in this interval, then 1 by 2 minus x also does not lie in this interval. Now we write g 1 by 2 minus x. g1 by 2 minus x. When x lies in this interval, then 1 by 2 minus x also lies in this interval. And number here, if number present here lies in this interval, then function g will be written according to this rule. Therefore, we write g1 by 2 minus x according to this rule. In place of x, we write 1 by 2 minus x. And when x does not lie in this interval, that means x is in otherwise situation, then value of function will be 0. When x does not lie in this interval, then 1 by 2 minus x also does not lie in this interval. Therefore, in otherwise situation, value of this g1 by 2 minus x will be calculated according to this rule 0. Thus we get g1 by 2 minus x is equal to 2x when x lies in this interval, and 0 when x does not lie in this interval, that means x is otherwise situation. Now we will find hx, which is equal to gx plus g 1 by 2 minus x. When x lies in this interval, then gx is this and g1 by 2 minus x is this. When x is in otherwise interval, then gx is this and g1 by 2 minus x is this 0. Thus we get hx is equal to this 1 minus 2x plus 2x will be cancelled out and there will be left only 1. 1 when x lies in this interval and hx is 0 when x is in otherwise situation.